Good morning, students. I hope you are very well. In 10th class, we discussed some topics regarding chemistry. Those are very small topics compared to 11th class chemistry. Again, those topics will come in 11th class. We will discuss those topics here also. Compared to there, here syllabus is very high. Don't think that you will not have exams means board exams in this year, so we can enjoy like anything in this year. Don't think like that, because most of the topics are coming from 11th class in 12th class, not only in chemistry, in all subjects. So what I am saying is, better to learn all the topics, better to read each and every topic in all subjects, then you will get good marks in 12th class. So here also you should do more hard work. Next, I shared already regarding deleted chemistry and revised chemistry regarding 11th class. You can see that one, then you get some idea regarding syllabus, which syllabus we are having and which syllabus we are not having in this academic year. So the first chapter in 11th class chemistry is basic concepts, some basic concepts of chemistry. That is the first lesson, some basic concepts of chemistry. Chemistry is important because everything you do is chemistry. Everything you do is chemistry. Even our body is made up of chemicals. Chemical reactions occur when you breathe, eat, or just sit there reading. All matter is made up of chemicals. So the importance of chemistry is that it is studying of everything. I repeat last point. The importance of chemistry is that it is studying of everything. It is all about importance of chemistry. In this chapter, first topic is mole concept. Already it came in 9th class science, mole concept. Before going to discuss about this one, we should know what is atomic weight. I discussed already atomic weights of elements, atomic numbers from 1st to till 30 in 10th class. Especially in this chapter, you have to know atomic weights and atomic numbers. Then only this chapter will be easy for us. Otherwise, we can't solve even single 1 mark question also regarding this one. So what is atomic weight? Atomic weight definition is, see here, listen carefully, watch it carefully. The weight of an atom is called atomic weight. Atomic weight means the weight of an atom is called atomic weight. Weight of an atom. Or one more definition. The weight of an atom is heavier than 1/12th part of carbon. That means here atomic weight is comparing to 1/12th part of carbon. 1/12th part of carbon. That is also one of the definition for atomic weight. Next, atomic weight units are AMU. Think about atomic mass units. But nowadays it is replaced by U. That means units. U means units. 1 AMU value is 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. That means it is very small value, very small value. When atomic weight is expressed in grams, suppose atomic weight is expressed in grams, that is called gram atomic weight. When atomic weight is expressed in grams, that is called gram atomic weight. So all these points regarding atomic weight. Now coming to molecular weight. Molecule is what? Simple definition is combination of atoms. That means molecule contains atoms. The sum of atomic weights is called molecular weight. That's all. Molecule contains atoms. The sum of atomic weights is called molecular weight. Sum of atomic weights. For example, take H. H means hydrogen. That is what? Atom. But H2, that is molecule. H2 is a molecule because H2 contains 2 hydrogen atoms. That means that substance contains atoms. If a substance contains more than one atom, that is considered as molecule. So what is the molecular weight of H2? 2. What is the atomic weight of H? 1. If you learn the atomic weights, automatically we will be learning molecular weights. Next, the molecular weight is expressed in gram, then it is called gram molecular weight. If the molecular weight is expressed in grams, that is called gram molecular weight. So these are the points regarding atomic weight and molecular weight. Later I will give one table regarding atomic weight and molecular weight. Then you will get idea how to find molecular weight by using atomic weights. Next one, this is very important definition, important concept, that is mole. See, 1 dozen is 12. 12 is what? Number. 1 dozen is 12. 12 number is called 1 dozen. It may be 12 bananas, 12 apples, everything. If a number is 12, then that is considered as dozen. Like that, mole is also a number. Like that, mole is also a number. Mole is what number? It is an Avogadro number. It is an Avogadro number. Avogadro number value is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. That is very big number. That is called Avogadro number. That is called mole. I repeat once again. Mole is a number which is a Avogadro number. Its value is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. So what is the definition of mole then? A mole is a chemical substance contains Avogadro number of particles. That is the definition of mole. A mole is a chemical substance contains Avogadro number of particles. That's all. Those particles may be atoms or molecules or ions or electrons, protons, whatever it may be. If Avogadro number of particles are there, that is considered as mole. For example, 1 mole hydrogen atoms is equal to what? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. That means the value of this much number is called 1 mole hydrogen atoms. 1 mole oxygen atoms, that is what? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. 1 mole oxygen atoms equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. That is called 1 mole oxygen atoms. 1 mole hydrogen molecules. Here atoms, molecules means what? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. Not atoms, molecules. Then that will be called 1 mole hydrogen molecule. What about 1 mole oxygen molecules? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. Which molecules? Oxygen molecules. Here hydrogen molecules. Here oxygen atoms. Here hydrogen atoms. So 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 hydrogen atoms is called 1 mole hydrogen atoms. 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 oxygen atoms is called 1 mole oxygen atoms. 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 hydrogen molecules is called 1 mole hydrogen molecules. 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 oxygen molecules is called 1 mole oxygen molecules. So this is about mole. I hope you understand it very clear. Next one, molar mass. Molar mass means the mass of 1 mole substance. Just now we discussed about mole. Its mass is, the mass of 1 mole substance is called molar mass. The mass of 1 mole substance is called molar mass. This is also called gram molar mass. This is also called gram molar mass. For example, 1 mole hydrogen atom, that is what just now we discussed already, 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. The weight of these atoms is equal to how much? 1 gram. This is very important point. The weight of 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms is called 1 gram. That is called molar mass of hydrogen atom. That is called molar mass of hydrogen atom. That means 1 mole of hydrogen atom. That means 1 mole of hydrogen atom. One more example. 1 mole of oxygen atom is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. 1 mole oxygen atom equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms is equal to 16 grams. That means what? The weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 oxygen atoms is equal to how much? 16 grams. 16 grams. That is 1 mole of oxygen atom. 1 mole of oxygen atom. Next, one more example. The 1 mole of hydrogen H2. 1 mole of H2 molecule equal to how much? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. 23 molecules. Its weight how much? 2 grams. 2 grams. That means the weight of 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 hydrogen molecules equal to how much? 2 grams. That is also called 1 mole of hydrogen molecule. Next, the 1 mole of O2 molecule, not atom, because O2 is molecule, equal to how much? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. That means the weight of 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 oxygen molecules equal to how much? 32 grams. That is what? 1 mole of oxygen molecule. So this is about molar mass. What is the meaning of molar mass? The weight of or mass of 1 mole substance. The weight of 1 mole substance is called molar mass. Next, gram molar volume. Gram molar volume. Simply it is represented by GMV. GMV. The volume occupies by 1 mole of any gas at STP. At STP. STP means standard temperature pressure. The volume occupies by 1 mole of any gas at STP is called gram molar volume. The volume occupies by 1 mole of any gas at STP is called gram molar volume. STP means standard temperature pressure. For example, 1 mole of hydrogen gas occupies certain volume. So that is what? Gram molar volume. Or 1 mole of oxygen gas at STP, it occupies some certain volume. That is called gram molar volume. So here one more important point is there. How much volume occupied by 1 mole of gas at STP? How much volume occupied by a gas, 1 mole of gas at STP? Here the point is there. 1 mole of any gas, 1 mole of any gas, that is maybe hydrogen gas, oxygen gas, nitrogen gas, CO2 gas, CH4 gas, any gas. 1 mole of any gas at STP is how much? 22.4 liters. This is very important point. 1 mole of any gas at STP occupies how much? 22.4 liters. 1 mole of any gas at STP occupies 22.4 liters. This is very important point. So from all these points we can say one point from mole, that is 1 mole equal to either gram atomic weight. How? See, in this case it is gram atomic weight. Gram molecular weight. How can we say that? In case of molecules it will be equal to gram molecular weight. And 1 mole equal to Avogadro number of particles. Avogadro number means 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Next, 1 mole equal to 22.4 liters at STP. So these 4 points are very important. So just now I discussed all these points present in these 4 points. So 1 mole equal to gram atomic weight in case of atoms, gram molecular weight in case of molecules, Avogadro number of particles. Particles means atoms or ions or molecules, whatever it may be, and 22.4 liters at STP. So this is all about mole concept. In next video we will discuss some more points regarding this one, and some numericals are there regarding this one. Until then, you remember all these topics very clearly. Thank you.